Hi friends, a very good evening to one and all. And this is our first video we're gonna post in a group regarding how to watch the announcements of the companies in the NSE page. Because NSE is the only page, NSE and BSE is the only pages where we can officially confirm the announcements of the companies. Like how some announcement will circulate in some other social groups, etc., which can't be official. So in order to get the official information of a companies, you can use the NSE site. And in order to view the NSE site, you simply enter the nseindia.com in the Google, and here comes the news site. But to get more familiar with the NSE, you just use the old site for temporary. In order to go to the old site, here I highlighted that you click here symbol, and it will take to old site. Under old site, this is a NSE perfect page of NSE, and under this you can click on corporates. Under corporates, under corporate information announcements, yeah, here comes the company name and the subject of announcement and the date they posted, etc. If you see this Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, it posted its financial results as today it gonna post the results, and at a time of 4:42 it posted results. One can go through it. If you click on this financial result update, here comes the PDF. If you click on this, the PDF will get open, and one can go through it what exactly the results, etc., etc. And apart from results, there are many aspects in the announcement page, like for example, to explain you further, like we are posting in a group like Biocon gets US FDA approval or something, it granted GMP approval, etc., etc. That and all we are accessing in the same page, and we are posting in a group. For example, if you watch this, like Lincoln Pharmaceuticals, if you click on press release, see here you will come to know Lincoln Pharmaceutical Limited receives EU GMP approval. Means it receives an approval from European Union. If you click on what exactly it is, you can click here, and the page get opens. Means this is the attachment which is filed by the company in the NSE. If you click on here, you can see that to soon enter EU markets with its dermatology, gastro and pain management products. Means they are now getting the approval to enter into EU markets, that is European Union markets, regarding this dermatologist, gastric pain management products, etc. So like this, you can go through n number of announcements, and A to Z the announcements available is NSE is official one, and you can click on everything. You can click on like Bharati Airtel today posted its results, and you can go through Bharati Airtel. It comes at morning. Yeah, you can go through here Bharati Airtel outcome of board meeting, and here you can watch what exactly the board meeting is and what the results is, etc., etc. So it is a conclusion. You can go through this outcome of board meeting. Yeah, this is final one. Yeah, it's loading, and you can go to this PDF and see here. You can see this, and here you can watch this quarter last quarters and last year quarters. This is yearly comparison, this income, profit, etc. This is P&L, and here comes the balance sheet, and here comes the cash flow, etc., etc. So this is, guys, like this we're gonna access the announcements of a company in NSE page. And I hope you got some information by this video. Any doubts, let me know in the group. Sure, we're gonna help you. Thank you friends.